Find or read reviews that people are talking about Belffin Oversized Modular Sectional Sofa Sleeper Sectional Couch, with storage chenille sofa bed. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Experience comfort and style. Indulge in relaxation with our modular sectional sofa, featuring soft, plush chenille fabric that invites you to unwind. Versatile seating arrangements. The Belffin Modular Sectional Couch is perfect for any gathering. Easily rearrange the modules into a sleeper sofa, a U-shaped sectional, or create a customized layout for your unique space and occasion. Smart storage solution. Each ottoman and seat has ample hidden storage underneath for your throw pillows, blankets, books and board games. This functional design makes it a fantastic choice for minimalist interiors. Quick and easy assembly. The modular sofa bed arrives in 13 boxes, complete with all the tools needed for assembly. You can effortlessly set it up in 1 hour. Please note that the boxes may arrive separately. Hassle-free maintenance. Keep your sofa looking fresh and clean with removable, washable cushion and pillow covers. Maintenance is easy, so you can enjoy your space with peace of mind. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.